So what is the situation on the level of writing in my school? Students in Baltimore City must take standardized assessments, at least 3 that I know of. The PARCC, the MSA, and the NWEA. The NWEA just began this year after the school established a partnership with a charter school organization. After viewing the profile of my school and others in the state, it does seem that language arts performance is lower than is expected for a number of grade levels. To be literate means to be skilled in literacy, reading, writing, technology, mathematics, science, and local, national, and global issues. That is quite a feat for someone in 5th grade. However, we can begin to expose students to the variety of text available. Why is this important? Well, for example, students cannot progress in other subject matter if they do not understand how to read and write. Mathematics. A problem such as, what is the minimum possible value of this decimal? 9.321. Use words and the number line to explain your reasoning. Include the midpoint on your number line. This mathematical word problem contains at least 8 words that must be understood to complete the task. In science, for example, the task is for students to create a picture of a biome. The details include animals that 1. Survive well, 2. Survive not so well, and 3. Survival would be impossible. Next, choose a plant or animal from a different environment. Explain the chances of survival to include the concept of adaptations. This science assignment contains a number of sophisticated vocabulary that requires critical thinking skills for the successful completion. Global issues and sources of information. It is extremely important to expose students to the variety of media available. How will a 5th grade student begin to decipher what is worth reading or listening to and what is not, in addition to forming opinions and differentiating between fact and fiction? The task is not easy, but it can be done. So, reading comprehension for writing. Although reading and writing are strongly interconnected, they are frequently treated as discrete subjects. This separation may be due to an overemphasis in many classrooms on process writing, or learning to write rather than writing to learn, as says Frey and Fisher 2007 and Wallace R. et al. 2007. The result is, as the examples of the writing of some of my students show on the tasks given to them to write a paragraph. I included 8 examples, removed names of course. So here on this first slide of examples, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 examples of my students' paragraph writing. There is no structure. There is no consistency. There is no example here of a well-written paragraph or a paragraph written by someone who knows how to express their ideas within a paragraph. Needless to say, they're not ready for an essay. Here's another example. Contains 4 excerpts. These are paragraphs. The tasks were for them to write paragraphs. It is for this reason that I eagerly participate in being the newcomer here at my school. The newcomer in the sense that I will be using the new technology iReady to teach my students the processes and the critical thinking necessary in reading comprehension and writing. Thank you.